Hi friends, and welcome to this new video where we're going to dive together into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today we'll focus on ChatGPT and I'll show you how to delete the chat history on this platform. So get ready, I'll explain everything to you step by step. First, we will see how to delete the integrity of your history, to then discover how to delete a particular conversation, and we will end with the reasons why you should delete conversation history. To start, log into your ChatGPT account from the official website. Generally, you will see your conversation history on the left side of the interface. To delete it, go to your profile at the top right of the screen. Click on it and select the settings option. In the settings, look for the delete all chat option. It is usually found at the bottom of the list. Click on it and confirm your request to erase all your conversations on ChatGPT. There you go, it's as simple as that. However, if you only want to delete a specific conversation, it's a bit different. From the main interface of ChatGPT, it's in the chat history on the left of the screen. Click on the three dots next to the conversation you want to delete and choose Delete. There you go, it's done. Otherwise, previously, it was possible to disable the history on ChatGPT to avoid having to delete it manually each time. However, this option is no longer available since the update with the ChatGPT model 4 euros. But as you have seen, you can still choose to completely or partially delete your history based on your needs. But a question may be on your mind: does ChatGPT use your data? Well, here's what you need to know. ChatGPT collects information from three main sources, namely your account information, names, contact details, payment information, the data from your devices, IP address, location, your interactions with the chatbot, comments, downloads, etc. In general, ChatGPT shares this data with third parties. But then, why delete the history of your conversations? In fact, the reasons are varied. This deletion can, for example, help you protect your privacy and personal information, even though each GPT claims to guarantee the protection of your personal data, prevent the theft or misuse of your data, and finally reduce the environmental impact because data storage requires data centers that are energy and water intensive. There you go, you now know how to manage your conversation history on ChatGPT. Before deleting everything, make sure to sort through it carefully as some conversations might be useful to you in the future. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Activate the bell to not miss anything and stay connected to discover new wonders in the captivating world of AI. Come on, bye friends.